All right, so we're out here getting the pig panels put up. These T-posts are going in. We bought some 48-inch hog panels. Gonna get those put in and making a little area here for the pigs to run around. It's gonna be connected to the barn, so they can go in and out as needed. We're gonna set them up in this area for the first, probably the first month, and I'm gonna run a single strand of electric around the inside to get them used to the electric fence before we move them out. This is our little barn right here. It's basically like a 2.5 car garage. You can see we've got the hog panels that get smaller at the bottom. That's what they recommended to us. So what I'm doing right now is just going down the line and putting these connectors on and getting this fence put up. So these are the clips I'm using. They came from Tractor Supply. They work pretty good, and they're also very pliable, so you can wrap them around. If you need to manipulate them, you can. Yeah, so at this point, I'm just working my way down this row. Back fence is on. Ground's a little bit uneven, so it's not perfect. And working my way down this row here. And it's starting to look like a pig pen.